Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Bitcoin to Metamask Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Metamask Wallet application, and now you need to tap on this drop arrow button in the top and select the BNB Smart Chain network. If this network is not available in your Metamask Wallet, then tap on the add network option, and from there you just have to simply use the networks option and select your BNB network. After selecting BNB network, you need to tap on the import token option over here, and now in the search bar you just have to search for Bitcoin. Now once you are able to find Bitcoin, you just have to simply tap on it and then select the import option. If you are not able to find Bitcoin over here, then you need to tap on the custom token option, and here you need to provide the Bitcoin address and press next. After that, you just have to simply tap on the import button on the next page, and you will be able to add Bitcoin on the BNB Smart Chain in your Metamask wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.